So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we're back with another high-octane new vs old school matchup between two boosted rear-wheel drive manual JDM coupes. Today it's GT86 vs AE86 and it's gonna be sick. So stay tuned and let's get it. Go! Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. So welcome back to the OG battles here at the mighty MANNOL Battlegrounds, where like-minded enthusiasts pull up and let their cars do the talking. And today, we've got two savage coupes with very similar power, aftermarket turboed engines, manual gearboxes and rear-wheel drive, but 20 years separating them. It's new school versus old school, and today we find out if old school is still relevant in this modern world. And in partnership with Race Logic, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3 and the V-Box Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter mile times and more to let you know how these savages perform. Let's get over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming Johnny to the battles, repping for the new school in his savage 2016 2-litre flat 4-cylinder turboed 280 brake horsepower, 250 pound-foot Toyota GT86 Aero Edition, built and tuned by Fensport. Mods coming up. And he's going to be stepping up against, welcoming back Rob from Engine Tuner to the battles, repping for the old school in his killer 1986 1.6 litre inline 4-cylinder turboed 285 brake horsepower, 240 pound-foot Toyota Corolla AE86, built and tuned by Engine Tuner. Mods coming up. So first up today is the roll races, but before we get cracking, let's get a couple of sound checks. Okay, so who sounded the best? The new school's flat 4 turbo or the old school's inline 4 turbo? Let me know down below in the comments and let's race.
Here we go. In my favourite little nugget. Old school JDM versus the new cars, new generation. And we all know what's better, don't we? Old stuff. Character. Johnny's car's got about the same power as mine, but I'm quite a lot lighter. So in theory, I shouldn't have many excuses, but let's see. As we know, as I know, anything can happen on the OG battles. We know a Toyota's going to win, and that's all that counts.
I can't lie, I think I'm going to get spanked. It's entirely possible, but we will see. Never done anything like that before. So we'll see. We will see.
That's a close race. That is a close race. I'm going to say the new school there was about a car length behind at the start, which might have cost him a lot there, but it looked very, very close. Very, very close. Let's find out who won. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much? All right, guys, unfortunately, I couldn't hear that, so I'm guessing you guys can't hear that. It is extremely windy, but I heard him say white car. So I think he meant the old school, the AE86. So cut to action replay right now, and we're gonna find out who won it right now.
That was close.
That was closer than I thought, though. I mean, there's a big weight difference. I think the AE is like 300 kilograms lighter, so that was a lot closer than I expected.
And the new school secures the first race by around 2 car lengths. Let's line them back up, tighten that start up a bit, and go again. Yo, you know what, them cars kind of sound mad. Kind of sounds mad. How cool is this? New school versus old school. I'ma say the old school took it again. Let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much? All right, I think today we're gonna have to use, I really need to invest in new ones of these, right? I think, yeah, the OG battles need to spend some money and get us some new walkie-talkies. Cut to action replay and we'll find out who won.
Don't have the minerals. She doesn't have the minerals. She's doing well though, she's doing well. She's still alive, that's the main thing.
And that time, the old school pulls out front and holds the lead all the way to the finish line, taking a win by around 3 car lengths. Mad. Interestingly, both of these lower powered little rippers not quite fast enough over the given distance to record a valid 100 to 200 kph time. And round 1 goes to the old school. Next up is the drag races. But can Johnny pull one back for the new school? Place your bets and let's race. Were you far behind?
Not that far, not as far as I expected.
Okay.
It's closer than I thought.
Okay.
I think he's still winning, but it's closer than he thought. Yeah.
It's a cool car now, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not pressed.
I'm intimidating him.
That sounded fruity. He's intimidating you, bro.
He is. It's working.
Hey, you got to beat him here. Reaction time, bro. Reaction time.
Right.
Ready, set, go. Close racing. I want to say it looks like the new school starts pulling it back at the end. I might be wrong, but it looks like the new school kind of starts pulling it back. However, I'm going to say the old school took the win. Finish line. Who won that and by how much?
Won by Rob from Engine Junior by 2 car lengths.
The old school takes it by 2 car lengths. Now I reckon if the new school, if his reaction times were a little bit better there and Rob slept a little bit, I reckon we could have a real close finish there. So anyway, sign it back up. Go again.
2 car lengths again, man. It is what it is.
Yes, little Toyota. I love this car.
That's so close. I want to say the new school drove round the old school at one point, but then the old school come back. But listen, I don't know. What I'm seeing here always seems to be wrong. Let's find out. Finish line. Who won that and by how much?
Rob from Engine Tuner won that one again by half a car.
Ooh, that's close racing. Half a car length. Old school takes the wins and the day and everything. Right, listen, that was so close last time. You got it right. I reckon if your reaction time was a little bit sharper, you could have had it. But bro, it's your first time here.
Thank you,
bro. My pleasure. Listen, Rob's a veteran. Yeah. He's been here quite a few times.
Games, does he?
He don't play no games, but also he hasn't won one in a long time, so you've got to let him win one now and again. You know what I mean?
And to be fair, it's a lovely car. So
it's a lovely car. It's two cool cars. It's a cool race, and we made it happen, bro.
Lovely.
You're a legend.
Is that a wrap?
It's a wrap, bro.
Thank you, my friend.
Taking it 4 for 4, bro. You've done it for the old school.
I'm no longer officially cursed.
Oh yeah, it's been a long time, isn't it?
It's been a while.
Yeah, bro, you're back.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
So, let's take a look over at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved during the runs using the V-Box PBTs. And very interestingly, Johnny in the new school GT86 actually records the faster quarter mile time, covering the distance in 13.90 seconds at a speed of 103 miles per hour. Rob runs an extremely close time, just 7/100ths slower at 13.97 seconds. At a speed of 101 miles per hour. However, both lads just off pace to chart with the top 15. Then taking a look over at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, the GT86 once again proves the faster car, hitting 60 in 5.47 seconds, beating the AE86's best time of 5.68 seconds, proving reaction time is everything. However, neither car quite fast enough to chart amongst the top 15. But we all know it's the first to the line, not the fastest time. And both rounds goes to Rob and the old school lovers. Congrats. So today we pitched new school against old school, but the race results only really went one way. Although close at times, the old school seemed to just shine brighter than the new school, taking all race wins. Interestingly, although the new school didn't see a victory today, Johnny marginally records faster times, showing that old school's power to weight advantage wasn't actually that much of an advantage. This one actually seemed to boil down to the driver, and unlike Johnny, this ain't Rob's first rodeo. I'm going to put it out there that today the data shows the faster driver won the race, not the faster car. Regardless, a massive shout out to both lads for showing up and making this old school versus new school race happen for the culture. So let me know down below in the comments what team you're repping, old school or new school, and if you could only have one, which one would it be and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.